What's up, guys? My name is Chris, and this is Capital with Chris. I started this small account to show that you can take control over your finances and your investments. It's something good to show your kids in the future. Today, I'm just going to be doing some selling and buying just to show what I'm doing with my account. You don't have to follow exactly what I'm doing. You can do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. And just to show you how easy it is on this platform to take control of your own money. You can invest as much as you want, as little as you want. Just start small and start as soon as you can, because in the long run, it's gonna pay off. Today, I wanted to show what I'm gonna do today with. I've been looking at this company, SOFI. All right, so let's see. First, let's see how we're doing. All time, we are up 8.4% all time, okay, since we opened this account, which was like 3 months ago. All right. I want to buy more SOFI, but I want to sell some shares. I want to sell shares of Celsius. I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step, because I wanna get more money in my buying power. Right now we have $270. When we sell Celsius, we should have a little over $400. So this gives us some leeway. At least we have money in our account that we can play with. All right, so I'm going to show you guys that. All right, so let's take a look here. All right, so we're going to go to Celsius first. We're going to sell these shares. I don't think we even made a profit on these shares. Okay, we're up $3. All right, that's fine. So we're going to come over here. We are going to sell Celsius. We're not buying, so we're going to click sell, and we're going to sell shares. We can just click right here and sell all. You click there, and that's what's going to be our estimated credit. That's going to go in our account. So let's go ahead and click sell. 5 shares done. All right, so let's go back to the main page. Let's see if it went through. All right, so Celsius is gone from our portfolio. All right, so let's look at SOFI. So the reason I'm investing so much into SOFI, I've been tracking this company for about a year now. That's how much research I've been doing into this company. SOFI has a lot of products. My favorite is it has a high yield savings account. So if you go, so the high yield savings account, they offer 3.8% interest, and most of the banks national average, I believe it's 0.4%. So this is huge. This bank has a lot of products available. All right. I believe it has something like, is it 10.9 million members so far? Okay. And you can dig down a little deeper, look at the financials. I mean, this is the boring part. SOFI announced, let's see, in the fourth quarter. So this is fourth quarter of 2024. So this is their entire financial statement of 2024. In the fourth quarter, our financial services and tech platform segments made up a record 49% of SOFI's adjusted net revenue, up 40% in the year-ago quarter. These businesses grew revenue by a combined 52% year over year, a testament to our continued execution and deliberate shift towards capital-light, higher return on investment, cash, fee-based revenue streams. So as you can see here, you can go down. This is some of the highlights here. Loan platform business, tech platform, student loans. Student loans saw its best quarter of originations since the end of 2021, reaching 1.3 billion, a 71% year-over-year increase. I mean, home loans, credit performance. So what I do, I want to pick up more shares of this. This is what I'm gonna keep buying up SOFI. I want to eventually get to 100 shares. So right now, our average cost of SOFI is, let's go to investing. Where's our average cost at? Today's returns. We made over 10% on SOFI, $24. Here we go. Average cost is $12.05. Let's go ahead and pick up. Let's go buy shares. We already have 20 shares. Let's go ahead and pick up 20 shares. So let's review order. So right now, look, even though it says our buying power is $270 right here, remember by tomorrow we're gonna have another what was it, 170 going into our account because we sold Celsius. So let's go ahead, review order, and let's click buy, and done. All right, so we should have a total of 40 shares of SOFI. All right, and if you want to double check your account, you go to history. Let's see, and you see that it says here you sold it. I mean, you bought SOFI for 20 shares at $265. You sold Celsius, so this is going to hit our account tomorrow. And this is our recurring investment of $25. And remember, every week we're putting $100 into this account. So we're investing about $400 a month. All right, so let's go back to the screen. All right, so I wanted to show you guys something. I want to give you a little insight to what options trading is. So we're gonna go. Let's go with SOFI. Options trading is basically you're placing a bet on the price of a stock going up or down. All right, so the best way for me to show you is just to teach you is just to show you here. So we're gonna go put in an options trade here, okay? All right, so we're gonna do, but before that, I want to show you why I'm doing this, why I think the price is gonna go up. This is called technical analysis. So in this chart, this is a month out, and this is 3 months, okay? So you see here, back in April, looks like April 6th, April 7th, this is where the stock was at its lowest. The reason for that, I think, is that's when I think Trump announced his Liberation Day or something like that. But as you can see, the market rebounded, the stock rebounded, and the price has been consistently going up. So let's look at a month. So you can look at the levels here. You can look at the average price around here. It looks like it's around 1270, 1280. And I'm thinking the price is going to go up. So we're just going to play around with this. We're going to go to our account. And I don't think we have enough money for this, but I'm just going to show you. We'll probably do it tomorrow or next week. But you're going to do trade SOFI options. All right. We're going to buy a call. All right. Calls are when the price is going up. If you buy a put, that means the price is coming down. So we're going to buy a call. So remember, right now the price of SOFI is $13.24. So let's say you believe the price is going to go up to $14. And another thing about this, you have expiration dates. All right, you want to give yourself time. I'm going to say let's give ourselves at least a month. All right. You don't want to go a day that's expiring tomorrow. Most likely the price is not going to go up to $14. Let's give ourselves a month. And let's pick, oh, see, this is going to end up costing. So even though it says 53 cents, this is going to end up costing $53 because you're buying essentially 100 shares. You're not actually buying 100 shares, but that's the amount that you're betting that this price is going to go up. So yeah, we're going to have to do this another time in another video. All right. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and remember, this is a marathon, not a race. So invest at your own pace. And until next time, thanks again and have a good one. All right. Thank you. Bye.
And I'm feeling good. I